Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm showing you how I do my simple pattern organization using some very simple supplies purchased from Staples. The only items I needed were these binders, a pack of sheet protectors, and these envelopes 6.5 by 9.5. For every pattern that I purchase, each envelope contains the pattern and the pattern instructions. I simply remove those items from the original envelope and I place them in these envelopes and I put the pattern number on the envelope. After that's done, I place each of the manufacturer envelopes in these binders, and these binders contain sheet protectors. Each of the binders are organized based off categories I created to help me organize my patterns, and I will show you those categories in just a moment. Using a simple Word template or a Word document, I went ahead and I created these spines for the binder spines for each of my pattern categories. I then printed out my document and I cut these strips off and I attached them to cardstock. And this is the finished product. These are the categories for my binders. They are categorized by the different types of patterns that I have, and each binder may contain a combination of different big fours. And I do hope that you found this video helpful.